So a lot of you post videos and you keep wondering why your videos are not doing well. Your videos are not going viral. People are not watching your videos. You are getting low views, and after doing much work, your video has good quality, good sound. After doing a lot of that, you spend a lot of time doing editing your videos, and your videos are authentic. But why is it that your videos are not going viral? So in this video, I'll be teaching you something that will make you move from having low views to having high volume of views on YouTube. If you are just starting your new YouTube channel, or you've been there and you've been trying to make videos and your videos have not been going viral, please, this video is just for you. Please watch to the end so that you understand. So before I go ahead, please welcome back to my channel. This is where we help creators on YouTube grow their YouTube, find their way around YouTube so that they can make something out of YouTube. So if you're a newcomer on this channel, please don't go without subscribing to your YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a video, you will know. So without further delay, I'll be teaching you something that will help you start going viral on YouTube.
So when you open your YouTube studio, this is my YouTube studio that I'm trying to open. So you can open it on your desktop, or your system or your phone, but make sure you turn the browser to desktop version like I've always said. So you just open your YouTube studio, and then once you open, I'll show you, or once this one open, I'll show you what I really mean. So this is my YouTube studio here. It has been open. So I'll be showing you the settings that I said. I'll be showing you the settings, how to set it when you make upload. So the next thing you need to do now is to upload a video. I'll be uploading a video so that I'll use it and show you what I mean. So you hit the upload button or create area so that you can upload a video to be able to start setting up the areas I want to show you. So just go ahead and upload the video. So from here, you drag your video, you click on select, you click there and select files. It will take you to your files in your computer. Then either you drag it and bring it here, or you click on upload files and then you go and select the file and bring it to YouTube Studio. So after your video has been imported to YouTube Studio, you go ahead and rename um, the title, because you need to give your video a title that will motivate people to watch. You need to give your video a title that will make people willing to watch. So you go ahead and rename your title. For instance, you want to create a video and said how to go viral on YouTube. How to go viral on YouTube. People will want to watch because people want to go viral on YouTube. So they want to watch your video. So go type it and then input appropriate hashtags. Appropriate hashtags. You can see that on my channel, I used to do African folk tales. So my first hashtag is there, African folk tales, African stories, and all of. So do hashtags that are relevant to your title, to your video. For instance, viral, hashtag YouTube viral, all of that. You do it, and then you come and then write your description. You write your description and then you add your thumbnail. You add your thumbnail. Make sure that your thumbnail is also captivating. I spoke about thumbnail. So if you check my video, my profile, check my videos, you see how to the kind of thumbnail you need to have, and um, you make sure that you design it to be less than 2 gig. I mean 2 MB, 2 MB, so that it can enter. So you can just import your thumbnail and bring it to cover on your video, so that your thumbnail should also be captivating so that people want to watch. You go and select playlist. If you want to put your video on a playlist where it will be easy for people to check, you go and select playlist. So after selecting your playlist, you go down and select if the video is for kids, you say yes. If it's for adults, you say no, it's not. Yes, it's not for kids, or no, it's not. Yes, it's for kids. Yeah, and no, it's not for kids. You go and select it. It's down there. You check it. If it's for kids, you select. If it's not for kids, you select. So you come here on video elements and you input ads and end screen. So if you want people to watch, if you want to suggest other videos that you want to show people at the end of your video, those videos will be popping up. So this is where to set it. You set it so that other people can be watching other videos. As they are watching this one, in the end, they will watch that one. So you come here and select this feature here. Add an end screen, and then you also add cards. That one will be playing while you are also playing the video. It will be coming up. So if you want your video to be public, come here and select public. If you want it to be private, you put it private. If you want it to be unlisted, put it unlisted. So you put subtitles, and then you schedule when you want to post your video. If you want to schedule it, maybe you are busy, you want to schedule it, post it today, but then schedule it tomorrow. You upload today, but you finally post it tomorrow. So you schedule it there. So you also go on details, on video details again. Please always make sure that your title, your description is clear. And inside the description, always make sure that you're putting um your hashtags, your keywords, because if you're operating a channel, there should be keywords about that channel. So you input those keywords after your description. Make sure that your description also explain what the video is, but not too detailed, so that people will still want to watch. So you have to be careful when writing your description, so that you not say everything in the description, but it should be in line with your video. So you can also come on more. You can also come on more, and then set, or if you want to put in tags, you can set tags here. You can the people you want to tag in the video, you can tag it here. And then you can also come and select language. If you want your video to be aired in another language, not English, you come here and select it. You can also come and select if you want your videos to be showing ads. If you want people to advertise on your channel, you can also go ahead and turn that setting also up. So you also check, as you are seeing it, you also see allow people, and you come and check the category. If your videos are about film and animation, you check it. If it's for lifestyle, you check it. So you just go ahead and do all these settings. These are settings that will make YouTube understand your video and start pushing it to the right people. So all these settings are very, very important. You do them, and then your videos will start going viral. So it's very important to do all these settings anytime you want to upload your video. That is why it is good to always use desktop to upload your video, so that you have all these options to select.
So guys, I believe you have value, or you got value on this video. Your time that you spent in watching this video, you got value for it. And if you do, please go ahead and give us a like, give us a comment under the comment section, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are a newcomer on our channel, so that anytime we post a video, you'll be the first to know, because we'll be dropping content here that will continue adding value to the community. Thank you guys. Until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye.